Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
Your knee hurts. Do you have a boo-boo on your knee? Oh, nice kisses for me. Do you want to spell Christopher?
C,
C, that's right.
H,
H, yeah.
R,
R,
S, T,
I, wait, I,
A,
S, T,
T,
yeah.
U,
O,
P,
P,
P, O,
H,
H,
E,
E,
R.
R,
What does it spell?
Christopher.
Christopher. Good job.
Yay!
Let's see, what else? Can you show me horse? Can you show me spider? Can you show me, do you remember bird? That's right. What about turtle?
Turtle.
Turtle. Can you show me book?
Book.
Can you show me read? What about, sit up. Do more.
More.
Do all done.
Around.
Can you show me please?
Please.
Can you show me thank you?
Thank you.
Good job. Can you show me cracker?
Hacker.
What about cheese?
Cheese.
And milk?
Milk.
Hang on, sit down. Milk?
Milk. Some milk.
Some milk.
Some milk. Some milk.
Here.
Some milk.
Okay, wait, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.